afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, we would like to put up some questions to you.
Okay.
Ma'am, the questions are going to be regarding that the sin is going on in the society against the female feticide. So ma'am, we would like to ask you some questions and you please answer whatever your opinions are on it.
Yes, being a female myself, I would agree with this fact that a great sin is being performed by we human beings. We are our own enemies. We have to consider our daughters as our mothers, but we are not doing that. That's a great sin against humanity that we are performing.
Have you ever felt discrimination? Personal question. Have you ever felt discrimination in your own childhood?
Sometimes I have. I would not say majority of the times, but sometimes. It's in a very miniature size, but still I have experienced.
So ma'am, what do you think is the reason for the people having this kind of a mentality and ideology?
This is the kind of insecurity that prevails in the society, like the kind of injustice I am trying to refer to is that when I was very young, my parents never wanted me to go out of the house alone. They wanted me to be accompanied by my elder brother. So I would always feel that what inequality I had in myself, that I can't go outside alone. I used to think that I'm strong enough, but now I understand that they were right. So only that kind of an inequality is there.
So now what do you think that there should be a change in the ideology of the people so that they accept girl child as much as they accept this?
Definitely they must start respecting the girl child, the mothers. Even in our culture, even in our tradition, even in our holy books, it has been clearly mentioned that mothers are like gods. So we have to start respecting that. Ideology in ourselves has to change.
What do you think why society is not changing? As like girls are doing well in every field, but still they are kept below the boys.
I beg to differ here. I wouldn't say that the society isn't changing. You know, this is a change which is not going to happen overnight. It will take a number of years and we have to be patient. So I'm quite satisfied that at least in our country, many changes are happening. But at the same time, our country is a country of villages. So the work has to take place in the villages. In the cities, the position is quite fine. But in the villages, the great change is taking place.
Now, in your opinion, what should be the position of a girl in the society we are living in these days?
Just repeat your question.
I mean to ask that what should be the status of the girls in the society that we live in the present world according to you?
In the cities, the status is much better. In the villages, it is entirely opposite, driving in contrast. So we need to work there. We need to make more schools. Education is the key to every kind of development that has to take place in any society.
So ma'am, what would be your ultimate message to the people who are a witness to this video so that they can open their minds and be more acceptable to the girl child?
Well, the message that I want to give is that we have to start respecting the girl child. We have to start respecting the girls in our families. We need to push them so that they get more and more education, and we need to propagate this idea. We need to do door-to-door survey. We need to give information. We need to start campaigning very strongly so that something is done and be noticed. The pace at which we are moving is quite slow. We need to do something about it as educated as.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
This one